Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this makeup tutorial, I am going to show you how to create this simple purple eye makeup look, which I think is perfect for springtime, summertime, but it will also look beautiful on all eye colors. I have kind of like bluish green eyes, and I actually didn't expect this eye color, no, not this eye color, this eyeshadow color to look so good on my eyes, because normally I personally really like purple on brown eyes. But for some reason it really worked, so I think it will look gorgeous on green eyes as well, brown eyes, hazel eyes. So yeah, I think this look is gonna look beautiful on everyone. So the first thing I did was, of course, priming my eyelids. I always use the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the shade Soft Ochre. If your skin is darker than mine, you might want to use a different color, but the color Soft Ochre is perfect for me. Then I'm going in with this product from Huda Beauty, which is their Matte and Metal. It has a metallic cream product and a matte cream product. And I'm using the matte side. As you can see, it's a really pretty soft purple color. And I actually wanted to use it on its own because I have done a video using this product before, which I will link down in the description bar. It's a purple foxy eye look, which you guys really seem to like. So if you haven't seen that one yet, I will link it down in the description bar. But today I wanted to kind of do more of an easier version using only one color on the eyes. So my intention was to use only this product, but I ended up also using a similar eyeshadow color on top of it. But if you recreate this makeup look, you don't have to do that. You can definitely use this product on its own as well. I just wanted to make it a little bit more vibrant, but you will see that later on. So I just applied the product on the eyelid, and then I used a Sigma E25 brush, and I'm just kind of going to blend out the product. Just take your time with this. It was actually really easy to do, but I am a perfectionist. I always like to go that extra mile and focus a little bit extra on the blending, but to be honest, I could have already stopped blending, but I always continue to blend. I never know my limits, but yeah, super easy product. I love to use cream products because you can just apply it on the eyelid, blend it out, and you're actually good to go. You can just finish off the look with some mascara. I think it's really time efficient. So if you have never tried using cream products for your eyes, definitely give it a go if you are the kind of person that likes to go real quick with their eye makeup but still get a really cool effect. Yeah, definitely give it a go. Then now I'm taking this palette, which is by Anastasia Beverly Hills from the NORVINA collection. This palette has a lot of pinky tones, purple tones, and some brown shades. Such a gorgeous palette. I actually dropped it, which broke two of the shades, unfortunately. But now I'm going in with this lilac-y purple shade and blending this on top of the eyelid. Like I said earlier in the video, this is kind of optional. You don't have to do this. But I just wanted to make the purple a little bit more vibrant. So like I said, optional. You can just keep it the way it was, but if you want to make the purple color look a little bit different, you can go on top of it with a purple eyeshadow that looks kind of similar. Or you could even go even darker if you like. It's really nice to start with a light base and then go further from that by adding more darker shades. Then I'm gonna do the same thing underneath the lower lash line, taking that same eyeshadow and applying this underneath the lower lash line using a Sigma Beauty E15 flat definer brush, which is included in the brush kit that I created together with Sigma, which I have linked down in the description bar. Then after applying the product, I also blended it out, and then I went in with this shimmery pink color from the NORVINA palette and applying a little bit of that in the inner corner of the eye. So kind of underneath the lower lash line, but kind of focusing on the inner portion part, like not dragging it all the way towards the outer V. And then when I have applied it underneath the lower lash line, I'm also gonna apply it like in the inner corner of the eye to make it look a little bit more vibrant. Then I went in with a nude pencil, which did not look good on my eyes, so I thought, why should I mention which one it is, because it didn't work. So I went in with this cream gel liner from Colourpop, which has a really soft purple color, and applied that instead, because the other one just made my waterline look really weird. It was more of a shimmery nude color, and I actually didn't want it to go in with a light pencil like the one I used right now, but in order to fix it, because the lower lash line was looking really weird, I went in with that one. And the Colourpop cream gel liners are amazing. They have beautiful pigmentation and they're very very affordable, which is really nice as well. So now I'm going in with this mascara from Maybelline, which is the Sky High Mascara, which is my favorite drugstore mascara. It's so good. So using this for the upper lashes and of course also for the lower lashes. Whenever I use fake lashes, I never focus too much on my upper lashes because I will hide them with some lashes anyway. But I use these beautiful lashes, which I will link down in the description bar. And yeah, this is the finished result. I really hope you all like how it turned out. Definitely try out this makeup look if you want to make your eye color pop, because it really made my eyes pop and I got so many compliments on this eye look. I think it's so pretty, especially on brown eyes. Let me know if you're gonna try it out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy watching. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. So thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye!
Your actions tell a different tale. Yeah, you say that you wanna try again. That's why I know that I won't get you.